What's up? Loxton here, and things a little harder to start than it looks. Cold start. This is our 80cc 20-inch rally hyperstock frame. About the wheelies. Getting ready for a good spring, summer. Thing's gonna be very enjoyable. First things first, is you need to get these tires to air pressure. Almost. Come on, 35 psi. Yep, that's about 35 psi. I'll take care of that front real quick. You don't want to see that front rim; it's a little shoddy. So I'm going to try to kickstart this thing. Oh, almost had it. Let's try the other foot.
Oh, not that way.
That's not going to work. Oh, a putz.
It's not easy that way.
So, yep, we'll just bump start it. Maybe. Yep. There we go. There's a bump start. That's what I'm talking about. Listen to herp her. Bra-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. She's a mess. She's a wreck. See that front tire? But it's great. Alright, so what we're doing now is just taking it for a warm-up. Straight down the block, I'm going to be doing my drag strips down. One city block. I think it came out to an average of 1.12 miles. It ain't a lot. So this is about where I'm going, is right about here. I usually kill off before that. What you see here is my hat. It actually doubles as a GoPro. Quite nice. Although I need some new foam because the foam fall out. Did not happen to me. Got one. So here we are, just putzing. I have my sidewalk. Yep. Take a look at it. Bra, 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 bra. You like my pontoon boat with a slide in the background? Got a 5-horse Merc motor on there. 2-stroke. Take her out on a big old lake, down our big old river. I have a good time on that thing. If you liked it, keep an eye on some videos. So, what I'm doing is I'm just going to post my little hat right here. This is at the end of the block right now. This is where my final pass is. This is one city block, and the other corner is way on the other end. So as you see, I'm just putzing down the road here. Putz. This is camera number 2. Same camera, just in another spot. This is going to catch the second video for my launch. This is about 3 houses down. 1, 2, 3 houses down from me. And last but not least, we're going to have the launch camera. Again, same camera right here. So what you're going to see are 3 different passes. I got 3 different speeds, all around the same, but 3 different emitters. All right. Are you ready for a launch? Let's do a one block rip. Woo-wee, launch, baby! Look at me go. Get to 30 miles an hour on a block. That's 20 in. Woo-wee! And there she goes. The little rattling sound ain't no big deal. It's just my gas tank. Now this is actually coming back from the first run. Just a couple little scenes. Woo! Zip on by. I like coming back. Like this one, I start about a half a block from the camera, and I'm zooming. Woo! Man, I probably was doing about like 30 there. All right, well, I think I'm just going to go do a little cruising now. So enjoy. Make sure you do stick around though, because at the very end of the video, you have my screenshots of my drag run. so there's some poles. Go. I'm only going around a city block or two. The drags are just all around one block. Woo! One handed turning over here. I just want to let it cool down. Those are some rips. There she goes. Alright, let it cool down. Alright, what this one is showing here is acceleration timing. Each one of those sections represent 1 total minute. So you see I made it to about 29, 30 miles an hour like that. You go up here at top, total 0.115 at 27.67. You can see 1 block. And here's another one of 29.24 miles an hour as my max speed of one of my rips. Here we go, some more stuff. 31.72 miles an hour on my trip around. And you could see that I was having some fun by that bar graph. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Loxton out. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share. Peace.